Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the AI features in Padlet. Firstly, log into your Padlet and then go to Make a Padlet. The AI features are currently available for personal, teacher and school staff accounts. You will see this Create with AI section. You can do everything from a lesson plan to a reading list, map of historical events, assessment polls, but today we're going to be looking at the classroom activities list. This section here is where you can basically give the AI the details you would like it to use to create the classroom activities list. So I'm going to do the subject of biology. The grade I'm picking is higher education. This is in American, so higher education would be FE level for colleges. The topic I'm going to pick is life cycle of the human cell. And I'm going to ask it to use the classroom resources of laptops, art supplies, worksheets, immersive rooms and VR headsets. And for the additional information, I'm going to say that I would have a class size of 20 students. I would like a formative assessment. The activities I would like to be 25 minutes long. And I'm also going to give it some activity ideas that I would like. So I'm going to use activity types of a research one, a group one, a physical one, and a discussion one. So I've put all the information in. If you ever need to add any additional information, you can always add it here yourself. And then you just press create. As it loads, you see that the top sections, it has actually gone and stated each of the activity types I wanted. And underneath it gives you a list of activities related to that activity type. So under research activity, you've got the first one is create an infographic of a human cell life cycle. You can have a look at mitosis and meiosis. The group activities is an interactive cell life cycle game that you can use on the laptops and VR headsets. So that's where the VR headsets come in. For the discussion one, expert Q&A session on life cycle. And the physical one, you've got an interpretive dance if you want to try and get your students to do that. And that's also using the immersive room. So it does use the classroom resources that you have mentioned, and it drops it into the different activities. It's even got a cell life cycle scavenger hunt. So it really gives you ideas for each of the activity types you've asked for and what kind of activities you can do. So hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea on the AI features for Padlet, especially to do with classroom activities list. Check out the other videos such as the lesson plan AI feature and hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.